Hey gang, so for video 18, and this is actually the last video in our Python in an Hour series, I'm just going to do a quick introduction to error handling. So error handling, or catching errors when we find them and responding to them, is an important part of development, especially with Python. And for dealing with that, we have the try and except keywords built into Python. So this is a try except blocked here. Um, and what I'm going to do is, you can see my name is James. If you type in try, that allows you to try something, and then you write a function that you're not sure of, or maybe it's a request to some API and you're going to get data back, or or you're trying to do something that doesn't work. Anything that you could possibly put in here that you want to try, but that has some chance of failing, here is a good place to do it. So here we're dividing name by 0, and dividing so anything by 0 causes an error. It also doesn't make sense because my name is a string, and so obviously we can't divide just a random string by 0. So this will give us an error. When we get an error, we exit this part of the code block and we raise the exception. So here it is. And that means we're going to respond to this issue with something. So here I'm just printing something went wrong. Now the finally keyword is something that you are always going to run with the try except error handling. So once these are done, regardless of whether it was successful or not, regardless of whether an exception was raised and a warning was shown, the finally will run. See, something went wrong. That's because when it tried to get through this try block, there was an error. So if I don't divide by 0, then I should be able to get through this without an error. The try except is finished. So that got to finally, and it printed my name as well. Okay, so that's it for a little bit of an introduction to error handling, and I hope you enjoyed this video.